Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today I'll be introducing some exciting new items and ways to use IKEA's most popular products. This room set got some interesting changes. This dresser is a new item and in Japan it's available only black. But in IKEA US, I saw a white version too. Making curtains with cut cloth is adorable, right? This floor lamp is also a new product. I'll show it to you later. It's pretty bold to place the bed in the center of the room. So anyway, please watch until the end. Alright, here's what I bought. This one was from the Christmas corner. It's a decorative light from the FRÖJDA collection, a limited collection. I bought it because the texture is fantastic. It's not plastic, it's aluminum. The feel is great and it runs on batteries. It requires 3 AAA batteries. At first, the compartment was tough to open, which worried me a bit. Anyway, I've inserted 3 IKEA rechargeable batteries. It seems these have been out of stock recently, but I managed to get some in the store. This decorative light follows a common IKEA design. When you turn it on, it stays lit for 6 hours and then automatically turns off. Then it lights up again at the same time 24 hours later. It's small and easy to place anywhere. And it can be used even outside of Christmas, which is nice. This season, IKEA has released a lot of new poofs. Are they like ottomans for putting your feet up? Yes, and here it's labeled as a poof. Inside there's storage space. It's quite large. You can sit on it, and it looks like you can easily fit 2 blankets inside. There's also new low stool. This sofa here is another new item I've featured before. It's modular sofa, so you can mix and match the pieces as you like. It's affordable, and you can choose to add or remove armrests, which gives it great flexibility. The in-store displays are so cute with all Christmas decor. This is a fun part of visiting during this season. Next, I found an incredible table. This is a new item. It looks like a typical butterfly table, but it's a bit different. The height is a bit taller, so it can be used like a counter. For working, dining tables can be a bit too low, so having a table this tall, around counter height, makes it easy to work on. It's super easy to expand, and it has a surprisingly spacious surface. When you open up the counter side, it looks like this, and it was simple to unfold. It's narrow, but it makes up for it by keeping the area under it clear. One side of the base has wheels, so it's easy to maneuver. The material is solid pine wood, giving it a natural feel. There are 2 shelves, so it has good storage capacity. The table is spacious enough for 2 people. When folded, it saves a lot of space, which is amazing. Here is a look at the display in the store. The storage area can hold the RESARÖ baskets, and the IKEA Uppdatera boxes perfectly. The solid pine tends to look a bit rustic, but I thought it could look nice if painted. Here's the new floor lamp. It's got a sturdy brass-colored base, and it transitions to beige in the middle, with brass again at the top. It looks almost white, but it's actually listed as beige. As I mentioned at the beginning, there's also a green version, so it's available in 2 colors. The calm color and metallic accents give it a classic look. If you like an antique vibe, this might be for you. The fabric shade gives it a soft ambiance. And it's IKEA priced at under $60. The light bulb is sold separately. so you can choose your preferred brightness. Lately, IKEA has released a lot of items in this muted green. This one too has a beautiful light green color. The shade looks darker in person, I think. The switch is located inside the shade, near the bulb. Next, let's take a look at the NISSAFORS cart. In Japan, IKEA has it at 25% off through November. I've been debating between beige and white. But with this discount, I thought, why not buy both? So I bought the white one this time. The packaging looks like this. It's pretty bulky to carry home. If you don't have a car, I recommend using delivery service. Unboxing, it was actually the hardest part. The cardboard is glued, making it difficult to open. No tools are required for assembly, but you should read the instructions carefully. It's easy to make mistakes. I made a few myself. You use these plastic parts to assemble it. You can remove them multiple times, a few times at least, so don't worry. Now I'll show you various ways to use it. First, you can flip it upside down and attach the shelves in reverse. You can attach the bottom shelf as mesh or non-mesh. I tried setting it up as a plant box. It's simple, and I really like it. The depth might be a bit too much for a plant box though. I shared this idea on stories, and many asked if it could hold a school backpack, so I tried it. When placed on the top shelf, it's quite high up, making it hard for my child to reach. Also, the edge makes it a bit tricky to place. I've installed the shelf upside down. Since it's too high, I removed the top shelf, and placing it on the second shelf made it more accessible. You could also put textbooks on the bottom shelf. Next, I added a SKÅDIS pegboard. You can get parts that clamp onto the shelf like this. I pressed it on the side of NISSAFORS cart. It's very handy, not just for school backpacks. SKÅDIS has a lot of attachments, making it so fun to customize. Like tossing in some printed notes here and there. At home, we use a cubby next to an IKEA desk, Mika, for my child's backpack. Once the NISSAFORS cart is no longer needed for the backpack, it's versatile enough to use for other things. I also got a larger SKÅDIS pegboard and clamped it onto the long side of the cart. It's a bit tight, but it works. I used the cardboard from the SKÅDIS and added more attachments for storage. You could say this is more of a SKÅDIS hack, but my child loves to use this space for hair accessories. The SKÅDIS pegboard would be best mounted on the wall, but this wall has a sliding door, so I couldn't mount it. It has plenty of storage capacity, so adults could use it for makeup too. The mirror is also from IKEA. This pull-out attachment is really versatile. You can pull it out like a drawer, or just use the top part as a mini shelf. SKÅDIS is so fun to customize in various ways. The NISSAFORS has a simple design, so it doesn't feel bulky at all. On the side, IKEA's JÄRRESTAD hook fits perfectly. The Muji firebox is also fit, though it's a bit tight. to the in-store display, I'll introduce some new products. The fall vibe is very charming, isn't it? I found a laptop holder in the gaming desk section. I didn't notice this before. Has it always been here? I thought it only came in black, so I was surprised to see in a white. It's compatible with a monitor arm, which is sold separately. You can get a single or dual monitor arm. It's very sturdy and might work as a tablet holder too, but it's really meant for a laptop. I had looked for one at IKEA before but couldn't find it, so I ended up buying a white one from another brand. Considering the price, this is a great deal. I have researched many monitor arms and this price is really unbeatable. Switching to the kitchen section, I found an extremely small frying pan. It's tiny, almost like an eye test chart. Well, maybe not that small. But what could it possibly be used for? For those who cook, let me know what it's for. For those wondering, JÄRRESTAD perked up after some water, so no worries there. Next time, I'm planning a room tour. It's been about 6 months since the last one, and I've updated quite a bit of the decor. I'll also show the inside of some storage areas. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video.